Everyone, myself Ram Lakhan Saket. Today we are very happy and very excited because today we want to discuss about very powerful topics, confidence. It is a very important topics for every human life. Improve, especially human behavior. Who improve herself better to best. So now let's be start. Let's go. So, confident is not something you are born with. It is something you build step by step, choice by choice, action by action. Most people think confidence is a personality trait. They believe that some people are just naturally confident, while others are not, but that is not the truth. The truth is, confidence is a skill. And like every skill, it can be learned, practiced, and mastered. Right now, there are people out there, out there who are less talented than you, less intelligent than you, less capable than you, but they are still winning in life. Why? Because they believe in themselves. They take action even when they feel scared. They show up even when they feel unprepared. They try, fail, learn, and try again. And you are waiting. And you are waiting, waiting for the perfect time, waiting to feel ready, waiting to 100% perfect time. But let me tell you something honestly, that moment will never come. You will never feel 100% ready. You will never have 100% certainty. And if you keep waiting, you will stay exactly where you are. Confidence does not come before action. Confidence comes because of action. Think about it. When you first learn to walk, you feel many times. Did you stop trying? No. When you first try to speak, you made mistakes. So why are you so afraid now? Why do you let fear control your decision? Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of rejection. These fears are not real barrier. They are just stories in your minds. And the more you listen to them, the stronger them become. But the moment you challenge them, the moment you take action despite them, they start losing their power. Let me ask you a question. What is the worst that can happen if you try? You might fail. You might get rejected. People might judge you. And then what? Will you life end? No. Will everything be destroyed? No. In fact, you will gain something valuable, experience. Every failure teaches you something. Every mistake make you better. Every rejection makes you stronger. But if you don't try, you gain nothing. But if you don't try, you gain nothing. No growth, no learning, no progress. just regret. And trust me, regret is far more painful than failure because failure hurts for a moment, but regret stay with you for a lifetime. Now listen carefully. You don't need to be perfect to start. You just need to start to become better. Take small step. Don't try to change your entire life in one day. Just focus on improving 1% every day. Speak up a little more. Take one small risk. Step out of your comfort zone because confidence grows when you do uncomfortable things. Every time you face your fear, you send a message to your brain, I can handle this. And slowly your identity starts changing. You start seeing yourself as someone who tries, someone who fights, someone who don't give up. And that is real confidence, not low talking, not showing off, not pretending to be perfect. Real confidence is quiet. It is the belief that no matter what happens, you will figure it out. Now let's talk about comparison. One of the biggest reason people lose confidence. It is because they keep comparing. One of the biggest reason people lose confidence is because they keep comparing themselves to other. They look at the someone else's success, someone else's lifestyle, someone else's achievement, and they feel small. But what they don't see is the full story. They don't see the struggles, the failures, the sacrifice behind that success. You are comparing your behind the scene to someone else highlight reel, and that is unfair. Your journey is different, your timing is different, your path is unique. So stop comparing. Focus on yourself. Focus on your growth. Focus on becoming better than you were yesterday because the only real competition is you. Another important, you always talk to yourself and shapes your confidence. First, you self talk matter. The way you talk to yourself shapes your confidence. If you keep saying, I am not good enough, I can do this, I always fail, then your mind will believe it and your action will follow. But if you start saying, I am learning, I am improving, I will figure it out, then everything starts changing. Your mindset changes, your energy changes, your action changes, and slowly your result change. Confidence is built from the inside out. It starts with your thought, then your action, then your result. So choose your thought carefully. Now understand this. You don't need anyone approval, not your friends, not your relatives, not your every personal lives, because the truth is people will judge you anyway. If you try, they will judge you. If you don't try, they will still judge you. So why not try? Why not chase your dreams? Why not become the person you want to be? And the end of the day, it is your life. And you are the one who has to live with your choice. So don't let fear state you. Don't let doubt to you. Take action and keep moving forward. Even if it's slow, even it's messy, even it is not perfect, because progress is better than perfection. Always. Now imagine this. 1 year from today, you can either be in the same place with the same fears, the same doubts, the same excuse. You can be completely different person, stronger, more confident, more experienced. The choice is yours, and it starts with one decision. A decision to stop betting, a decision to stop doubting, a decision to start acting right now. Not tomorrow, not next week, not someday, today. Because your future is created by what you do today, not what you plan, not what you think, but what you actually do. So take the step, make the move, start that thing you have been delaying. And remember, you don't need to have any everything figured out. You just need the image to brain. Because once you start, you will learn, you will grow, you will adapt, and slowly confidence will follow. One step at a time, one action at a time, one win at a time, and one day you will look back and realize you are no longer the person who was afraid. You are someone who took control, someone who faced fear, someone who built confidence through action. So stand up, believe in yourself, and go after your life, and go after your life, because you are capable, you are strong, and you are meant for more. From today, you don't step. So thankful to all of you giving me your beautiful times. Thank you, thank you, thank you.